Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make the magic circle. It's very easy. What we do is we just wrap the yarn around the upper two fingers, cross over, and then take your hook and go underneath the first one, grab the second one, and then hold it right there. We've created a circle and we're not going to close it up. The way we hold it in place is we make a single crochet. Sorry, that was a chain. We make a chain to hold it in place, and there we have a magic circle. Now the reason that we do this is so when we close it up, there is no hole in the middle at all. Let's do that again for practice, and then I'll show you what I mean by not leaving a hole. So first of all, we take the yarn, we wrap it around the upper two fingers, cross it over, turn the hand over, place the hook underneath, grab that yarn, and then just hold it right there, and we have a circle. All right, let's do our chain. There's our chain. Let's go ahead and do, let's say 5 single crochet inside the circle. A pattern will usually call for so many single crochet inside the circle. 1, there's 2, 3, 4, and let's do another one, 5. All right, so here's where we close the hole up. So we take the little piece that we began with and we pull that closed, and we're going to tighten that hole until there is no hole anymore. And that's for a project where you do not want a hole at all showing up in the very bottom part of the project. All right, so that is exactly what a magic circle is. Some people refer to it as a magic ring. And so hopefully you learned how to do this quickly along with me, and we'll see you next time learning some other tutorials on crochet stitches.